Part 2. Okay, so like I said, we're opening the Phony Angel. I don't really prefer hippers myself, but you know what? I don't care. So I saw the reviews, and supposedly they're supposed to be good. So, like I said, I want the lop-ear rabbit and the lop-ear rabbit and the rabbit, and I wouldn't mind anything else except for the sheep, the panda, the lion, the duck, and the giraffe, because I already have 3 from Mexico. And if you didn't watch part 1, what are you doing here? Go watch part 1. So ready? Are you serious? Okay. Ooh, mommy, look. Ma, this one has like the packaging that the real Sunny Angel would have. This one doesn't. Okay, guys, this is what happened in Mexico when I got these. This one is like.
No, los de Mexico.
Yeah, I had this one, and if it has this, it's supposed to be real. Okay, guys, so I'm excited, but I'm also scared. Okay, don't feel around me, huh? Okay. I'm gonna let you guys look first. What did I get? Pure disbelief. You guys are joking. Oh my god. My first pull, and I knew the winner. I want to eat it. Okay, mommy, can I open another one? Okay, yeah, we're definitely going for another one. Okay, guys, claim my luck when you're opening these. So now I think I'm gonna open one from the top. I'm gonna crash out if I get one of those. Oh, guys, I'm so happy I got this one. Now we're gonna open another one. I don't have nails, but it's okay. So ready? I didn't like that. Pop. The checklist just flew. Okay, we're gonna go fast. At least it's one that I don't have, but I didn't really want this one. That I got. These are the ones that I got in Very Total. Thank you guys for watching. Comment below for more things.